everybody. So today's an exciting day for the puppies. They are 6 weeks old, so they will get weighed in and dewormed, but they'll also get their first vaccine. We give their first vaccine at 6 weeks because it takes 5 to 7 days for it to take effect, and therefore I will still have 1 week to be able to get the puppies out and about before they go home to you at 8 weeks old. So what I mean when I take them out and about is not mean they're going to be walking on the ground. It means they're going to ride in a wagon so that they're not on the ground. They're also not going to be meeting other dogs, but they will be meeting a lot more people. They'll be smelling things. They'll be hearing things they're hearing for the first time. So it'll just be a great socialization process. The reason we don't let them on the ground or near other dogs is we don't know what the vaccination levels are for the other dogs. So we don't know if they've had all their vaccines or not. And we know our puppies have not, and they're not safe to be around dogs that have not been fully vaccinated. Now, you will continue this process when you get them home. Carry them in your arms, keep them in a wagon and a cart somewhere off the ground until they're about 4 months old and they get their full sets of shots. But in the meantime, let's see how these puppies do on their first vaccine, shall we? I'll talk to you guys next time. All right, Anna, let's go ahead and get your dewormer. Open up a little. There you go. And our first vaccine. You ready? Look at that. You did so well. What a good girl. All right, Elsa. Dewormer first. Good girl. I gotta get your shot. Little prick. Oh, what a good job. Good girl. Good job, Elsa. Okay, Kristoff. Start with your dewormer. Open up. Oh, you gotta open up. Open up. Here we go. Here we go. You got some on your nose. And the first vaccine. Get a little prick. Oof. And all done. Look at that. All done. Good job. Good. All right, Sven. Open up. There we go. Good job. All right, little prick. Oop. All done. Look at that. Very good, big boy. Good job. Little Aduna. All right, Aduna. Open up, honey. There we go. All done. Look at that. You did that good. All right, now we gotta do your shot. Little prick. Good job. Well done. Oh, what a good girl. Very good, Aduna. All right, Mr. Olaf. Open up, sweetie. There we go. Here we go. Good job. Good job. And the vaccine. Good job. All done. Look at that. Very good. All right.